This is so stupid. So, I always thought it would be cool to have an actual Assassin's Creed blade to be able to flick it out, stab some people, flick it back in again, and then walk away.
You big nerd.
So I thought I should make one. But how would I go about it? Well, I started by studying ancient manuscripts, Leonardo da Vinci's old drawings. No, really, the mechanism's been around for a while, and I was able to research how to do it, especially thanks to videos by Sheldon Cordell, who I'll link in the description if you're interested. So for the build process, first I designed it in CAD, then I sliced it in Cura, printed it, and like 10 other prototypes trying to make it work, and then I just had to assemble it. Actually, there's one more step. Give me a second. No, I'm joking. That's not necessary.
I was only having fun, Ezio. Though the blade once required a sacrifice, it's been modified. You can keep your finger.
So here it is. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Now don't worry, it's completely not a weapon. It's really flimsy. It is made of plastic. With that said, let's go stab some cardboard boxes. Now, you've seen the title of the video. I thought, wouldn't it be funny? Hidden blade, hidden fork, knife and fork.
Hilarious.
But anyway, to do that, I need another one of these, and I'm far too impatient to wait for that to print, so I'm going to see if I can find some in the wild. Not because I can't be bothered to time lapse it printing or anything. So now I've got two. That's so sick. But to attach a fork to one of these, I'm going to need to design some more, print some more, and then assemble it. So I'll just quickly show you that. This is so stupid. But anyway, what can I do with it? Well, let's see if I can eat a meal with it. What am I doing? Well, that's all I can really think of with the fork, so what else? Maybe a hidden pen? Pencil. Or a rubber. Okay, cool, but what else? Well, give me a second and I'll see what I can come up with. Okay, I could go on, but these things are pretty cool and I learned a lot making them. Now, if you got this far in the video, I want you to go down into the comments and tell me what you think I should make next. And while you wait for that video, go watch this. Go on. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.